think, sorry, I was doing well and then it's all gone. Hi, I'm Chetna Makan, cookbook author and YouTuber, and this is my fridge story. I think my fridge says that I love food and I am kind of pretty organized. I think so. So at this moment, the favorite thing in the fridge, my favorite thing in the fridge would be these theplas, because these are flatbreads made with fenugreek, and they were made in India. I got them from India and they last a good few days. So I'm rationing them, and I had a full box full of these, and I've only got a few left. So this right now is my favorite thing. The lovely, delicious chocolate peanut butter banana cake. And if you want to try this, you can find the recipe on my channel. That's a really good one. I always bake twice a week, I think, because if I'm not recipe testing, even then I'll have a bake for half a week, we'll finish it and then I'll move on to something else. I think the kids are now so spoiled that they want some home-baked goods. So it could be cookies or cakes or cheesecake or anything. And if I'm recipe testing, then there's another one in the mix, which is quite nice. I'm never complaining about too many bakes, yeah. And the last thing in the fridge that I absolutely loving right now, is my tamarind and date chutney, which goes in every kind of chaat, Indian chaat, street food. And that's homemade and it's almost finished, so I need to make some more. I always have a jar full of this in the fridge and it lasts for months. I have got quite a few chili sauces, chili oils and things. The one thing I think I use the most looking at it is the Maggi hot and sweet sauce. This is what we used to have in India. So this is one thing that I use a lot. The second thing that I use every day for my lunch is peri-peri mayonnaise. If I'm working from home, I'll be having mostly eggs for lunch, and this goes on top of the eggs every single day. I get through a lot of these tubs. Yeah, too many actually. The chili sauces, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Yeah, I think that's enough. That's plenty. The one thing in the fridge that I use the most, I would think, actually there might be two things, is of course milk, because we use milk for breakfast and I have tea all day, so many cups of teas. So milk and yogurt. We cannot do without yogurt as a family. We need it with every meal. I cook with it. It always is served on the side of whatever we're eating, obviously Indian food. So yeah, these two things are the most used items in the fridge. So there are a couple of things I have to have in the fridge at all times, which just makes my life easier, is butter. I have to have tons of butter. Right now I have got 7 packs of butter, and this is not to full capacity. This is just a few butter blocks, but butter, I have to have butter because I might want a cake right now or this afternoon, and butter is the key to it. So yeah, butter I always need. The other thing that I try and have in the fridge at all times is paneer. And though I can make it at home, but it takes time. And if I have paneer at home, I can prepare a meal in minutes, literally. Everyone in the family loves it. You can make snacks, meals, desserts, everything with this paneer. So yeah, it's quite nice to have some of it in the fridge. One of the things I think which I really didn't need but I still bought it is some fine chocolate spread, and it's delicious, though I really didn't need another chocolate spread, but this one is good.
I love it. That's a good thing to splurge on.
One of the things which I think has gone off is, what was that? No, it's mango and chili chutney, and I actually got it for a recipe testing a few months ago, and I'm not a big fan of like a sweet chutney. And this is like a sour sweet chutney. It smells all right. Maybe? I'm not sure actually. I might leave this one outside. Maybe it's time for it to go. I have got actually a ready-made pickle in here. And I usually have lots of mango pickle that my mum makes and I bring it over from India. But this was something for a recipe testing and I have used it half the jar actually. Yeah, I never buy pickle. I don't have shop bought pickle other than this jar. Yes, I always have some leftover food in the fridge because whenever I'm cooking, I try and make extra because if I can't cook the next day, then I've always got food. So right now I have got some okra which I made for a YouTube video 2 days ago and it's still here. So I might actually have it for dinner tonight. And I've got some actually a really nice butternut squash chickpea soup from yesterday. And I've got enough if we want to have this for dinner tonight. If not, then tomorrow. So yeah, I always have leftover food in the fridge, always. The one thing I have usually at the back is cheeses. So I'm not a big fan of cheese in the sense I don't enjoy eating it really. So if I get cheeses, then they are for recipes. And I always have a block of halloumi in the fridge, always, because they last for months and you can just prepare a quick meal or a breakfast, anything with some halloumi. Absolutely anything. I've always got some wonton wrappers or some dumpling wrappers because they're so simple to use and make. You can make all the delicious fillings yourself and use these ready-made. So I've actually got, I think I might need to use some this weekend. I really don't need these many. I had no idea I had so many. I think the one thing I've learned is that I might have too many chili sauces, and then secondly, I've got too many dumpling wrappers and I really need to use them ASAP. I hope you enjoyed my fridge stories. You can check out my recipes on my YouTube channel, Food with Chetna. And also, if you have a moment, you can look up the 30-minute Indian cookbook. This is my latest cookbook. And as the name suggests, everything in here can be prepared in 30 minutes. And don't forget to subscribe to Spruce.